Hey guys, so a little secret that I'm going to tell you. This is my first time making a chicken on the smoker. So if I seem a little nervous, a little down, I'm just trying to remember what my husband did, because I like to be a little pepita when my husband is cooking outside. So let's see how it comes out, but hopefully you like it, and hopefully this clip makes the video. Hey guys, thank you for watching another episode of Sun City Taste. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a split roasting chicken, or a pollo rostizado in Spanish. We're going to be using my smoker, and it already comes with the parts that we need to be able to roast it. So let's go ahead and check to see if we have any charcoal, but first let me move it a little bit. What do you guys think? I think we're good. Let's close this up again. Okay. So before we get started, we have to let it warm up. So that's what I'm gonna go ahead and do, okay? Let me get my lighter and my napkin, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so we're gonna go ahead and turn it on. Let me see if I can get my flame on. Close this just a little bit, okay? We're gonna go ahead and turn it on from here. And then a little trick that I learned from my husband is that just to go ahead and open this up all the way, and we're gonna press on this just to let the fan on, help the fan get started, okay? And as you can see, we can already start seeing a little bit of smoke right there. And just hold on to it for a couple of minutes, okay? Okay guys, so we're gonna go ahead and close it up. We're gonna put our smoker back in position, and we can go inside and get our chicken started. Let's go inside. Okay guys, so we're gonna go ahead and get our chicken ready. So we're gonna inject it with butter. We're gonna put a little bit of salt and the spice that I'm gonna be using today. And we're gonna tie the legs so that way they're not spread open and they don't get stuck when it's turning. But first we gotta melt our butter. So let me go ahead and do that. I'll be right back. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and put a little bit of the spice, and I'm just gonna put like 1 teaspoon, okay? Whoa. So we're good. Don't forget to mix it. Make sure it's all nice and mixed, because if not, it's gonna get clogged, your injector. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and get our, I was gonna say turkey, our chicken injected. Okay guys, so we're done injecting our chicken. So now we're gonna go ahead and put it into our pan. So we can get the spice on. Now if you have a little bit of butter left, a little bit of leftover butter, just go ahead and put it all over. It's not a big deal. The more, the better. Okay, so let's get our spice going. Now make sure you guys are, okay guys, as I was saying, don't be afraid to spice it, your chicken, okay? To spice your chicken up. Make sure you get it everywhere. So let's go ahead and turn it. And same thing, okay? Make sure you get those wings in good. Okay. So just make sure you flip it. Make sure you guys are getting everything, okay? They're not gonna cry because you're not handling right. Okay. Okay guys, so we're gonna go ahead and tie our chicken just because you want to make sure that the juices stay in and not out. Also so that when it's rolling, it doesn't get stuck, okay? So let's get our, I'm gonna say right about there, okay guys? That was hard. So now we got it, we finally got it wrapped around. That one gave me a hard time, more than any of them. So now let's go ahead and slide it into the rod. Okay, let me just turn this a little bit. And I got it stuck, because I'm getting ahead of myself. Okay, that's all you have to do. Let's get this one in. Be careful not to stab yourself. Okay, make sure you tie it. Okay, now we're ready to go outside. Okay guys, so we're ready to put this in our smoker. I already opened it so I wouldn't have a hard time. We're gonna cook this for maybe about 2.5 hours to maybe 3 hours, okay? You know what guys, I don't think I told you what we're making today. So we're going through all this trouble because I want to make a chicken salad. Yes, I know you can always buy the chicken at your local store, but you know what? My family is a little, what do you call it, spoiled. So they don't like for me to buy anything from the store. It's homemade only. But along with our chicken salad, I want to make a salsa verde, which I'm going to make in the molcajete, and I'm going to show you how. So a little trick that my father-in-law showed me how to do how to coat your tomato with your jalapeno is to put them in a plastic bag. I'm going to use 3 for the salsa and 3 for the salad. And I'm going to be using about maybe 12 jalapenos. Put them in your bag. You're going to put your oil. I'm just using vegetable. Okay. And now we're going to shake. Just kidding. You don't have to shake, but shake your bag. And since we're cooking outside, we're going to go ahead and make these on our gas grill. Okay. Now they're done, and we're going to dump them in our container. You see that? Nice and easy, and no mess. Let's go ahead and go outside. Now for your gas grill, you don't have to preheat it since we're doing the jalapenos and it's fast. The way my mom taught me how to make it was to add tomato, lettuce, and corn, which we're gonna do right now with your chicken and a little bit of mayo. But my suegro, my father-in-law, was telling me that we can also add black olives and pickles. So that's what I'm gonna go ahead and do. But but I'm gonna keep them separate. So let's go ahead and get them. Okay guys, so for the corn, I'm gonna use fresh. You can use the one from the can, but I want to be a little fancy today. So a little trick that I learned was to make my corn in the microwave. Pretty cool, huh? So you're gonna use a minute to a minute and a half per corn. So all you have to do is just trim it. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's cut this side. If I can get it. Hold on. Okay. So what you want to do next is put them in a towel. That way it retains the heat and the moisture doesn't, it absorbs it. Okay. Let's put them in. Let's go into the microwave. So that's 2. Let's do maybe about 5 minutes. And just like that, they're ready. Okay, so just be careful when you guys get them out because they're gonna be super hot. Let's see. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and open them up just to let them air out, cool down a little bit, because they're gonna be too hot to handle. And I don't know what it is about this trick, guys, but it makes the corn come out super sweet, and that's what we like. Okay guys, so we're gonna go ahead and take the hoja, or as many of you may know it, the husk. Try to use a corn holder, I think that's what they're called, when you're peeling off the hoja, just because they're gonna be super hot, okay? And we're gonna do this little by little. Okay guys, so we cut up the end, both ends. That way it would be easier to cut them right now when I do. So go ahead and put your your corn holder. Ay, ay, ay. Esta hambre ya me trae hablando. Okay guys, so we've been cooking our chicken for 2 hours at 263. We're gonna go ahead and check it. So let's turn this off. Let me open that up. Oof. Okay. Okay. We're still not there yet, guys, so we're gonna leave it cooking for a little bit longer because it has to be at 165 and it's at 142, okay? Okay guys, so I was a little off on my time and it ended up taking me about 4.5 hours, okay? So let's go ahead and check it. Let me turn this on. Okay. Let's close this up again. Let's put on our gloves because it's going to be hot. Okay, nice. It's a little hard because of the gloves since they're a little like big, you know, so we can do it. Okay, so we got that out. Be careful when you guys are doing this because it's super hot, okay? Okay guys, so finally just make sure you like set it down and then pull up, okay? guys, so I'm just gonna finish cutting this up and then we're gonna shred it and we'll put it into our salad. We'll be back. Let's go ahead and make our salad. We're gonna put our lettuce, tomato, and corn. Okay, with our chicken. Okay, let's put our mayo. And mix. Okay guys, let's see if we need any more salt or pepper. A little bit of pepper. Okay guys, so let's put our salsa in. Let's put a little bit of black olives, and remember, estamos en familia. So I'm gonna use my finger. Okay, and we're gonna taste now. So, de mi casa a su casa. Really good, guys.